See how this one fits. There we go. I think that will fit quite nicely. And I'm just going to quickly grab just a standard hook really. So you will pop your tension. You don't want too much tension, almost as though you're just going to rest your finger on it a little bit. And then find that first pin. And then pick it open, just like so. So, nice and simple, nice and easy. And you can just repeat that a few times. Just so that you're starting to get to the feel of it. Once you're happy with picking one pin, we can then move on to populating number 2. So we're just going to quickly grab number 2. There's your key pin. So you want the pointed side facing down as you're popping it into the lock.